Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I'm gonna be giving you a full tour of my brand new YouTube studio recording setup slash gaming setup slash music setup, whatever you want to call it, but this is a full tour of my brand new office here. Now I have been here, for a couple of months now, so I wouldn't exactly say brand new, but I have gotten a lot of questions asking when I'm going to be doing a full tour of my office here. Well, I wasn't quite yet ready then, but today I am finally ready. It is finally set up exactly the way I want. Well, maybe not exactly. I'll probably be making changes here and there as time goes on, but for the most part, my office is finally done and I am finally ready to give you guys a full tour here. Now, it is not the biggest space, but I worked with what I had and I try to create it in a way where I would like it and feel comfortable in here, recording videos, playing games, making music, whatever it is I'm doing in here. I made it as comfortable and as cool as possible. So I'm excited to show you guys. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so my office is pretty much broken up into about 3 different sections as of right now. We got the music section over here, I got my gaming setup over here, and my YouTube recording setup over here, which probably looks familiar to most of you by now. But this is pretty much what the bigger picture looks like when it comes to the entire office. As you can see, I got sound pads all the way around to help out with sound in here. Before I added these sound pads all around the walls in this office, I mean, it was just super echoey. It still has a little bit of an echo right now, but these sound pads that I have added on the walls has definitely helped out with the sound. And if there's anything in this office that you find yourself interested in, I'll make sure to have everything linked down in the description below in case you want to check out anything in here for yourself. Now, as you can see, lighting definitely plays a big part when it comes to the office here, just to give it a really cool look. I got some smart light bulbs and that back lamp over there and this lamp right here, which is what I use for the background in a lot of my videos. These smart light bulbs are by Govee. You can control them with the Google Assistant, Alexa, or just Bluetooth with the app on your phone. And then I got more LED lights over here by Govee as well. As you can see, got it going all the way around the back of the desk and then around my gaming monitor right here. And I think lighting plays a big part when it comes to, trying to build yourself a cool looking office. I got an orange blue color combo going on. I just really liked the overall look of using those colors in this office. And then going up to the top here, I got pictures of my favorite Dragon Ball Z characters. We got Goku, Gohan, and Vegeta. And then over here, I got pictures of my favorite superheroes. We got Spider-Man, The Flash, and Superman. But this is pretty much the bigger picture when it comes to this office. Okay, so taking a closer look at each section now, starting off with the spot that should look familiar to most of you by now. This is where I make pretty much all of my YouTube videos now. So as you can see, I don't have the most expensive setup or the most fanciest setup. I kind of just try to keep it as simple as possible, and this is what I came up with right here. I got a plant in the background, to give it a little bit of color. Of course, the sound pads that I mentioned earlier, and then the lamp right here with the smart light bulb, so I can be able to change the color of that to whatever color I want to add more color to the background as well, aside from just the plant over there. And then I got this small chair over here to where if I am recording my videos head on like that, once I'm sitting on the chair, you can't see it. It's nothing like a gaming chair right here where it just kind of pops up around your head. It's kind of hidden in the back once I'm sitting on it, and that's what I wanted. I wanted just a really clean look. It does go up and down. It is a nice little rollable chair right here in gray with the wood backing, and this is a chair that I actually really like, and it's actually pretty comfortable. I actually found this chair at HomeGoods for a really good price. And then when it comes to the desk, this is a desk that I really like. I got it off of wayfair.com, and I really like the texture on it. You can see it right there on camera. It's got a nice texture and has a really clean look to it. It is at a good height when I'm sitting on this small chair right here. So I'm really liking this white desk that I currently use. And of course, over here at the top left corner of my desk, I got some of my phones over there with my unboxing knife, a couple of batteries right there for my camera. And then talking about the camera, like I said, nothing special going on here. I do record on my Sony ZV-1. It does have a flip out screen for those of you who maybe haven't seen this camera yet. It has been out for a while. It does record in 4K. It's got a flip out screen just like that. Currently mounted on my Manfrotto tripod that could extend out pretty high as well. But this is pretty much the height that I have it at. So it's pretty much like this when recording my face. I probably would put it up just a little bit higher, and then currently have a Movo microphone connected straight to the camera. But I do use a Rode microphone, which I am using right now, recording on my Galaxy S21 Ultra. but if I'm not using this one, then I'm using this one. Or if I'm not using this one, then I will use a wireless mic. Now, when it comes to the lighting here, just a simple little ring light giving off more of a warm effect. And then I got this softbox over here giving more of a brighter effect. And the softbox I am currently using right now is Mount Dog, and I actually got it for a really good price. And like I said, if there's anything you see in this office that you find yourself interested in, I'll have links down in the description below in case you want to check them out for yourself. But the softbox did come with everything that you see right here, from the front to the back to the tripod, and even came with the case, which is in this closet. I'm not sure you guys want to see what's in there. You know what? I'll show you guys what's in there. It is a mess in this closet. Look at that. Look at all this crap I got in here. And then I got all my phone stuff up there. Yeah, this is something that I still need to organize and make looking nice. So I always try to keep that closed so the office has, you know, a nice clean look to it. And then aside from all of that stuff, I got a rug down at the bottom. Just another thing that I found at Home Goods with a kind of a nice texture to it. If I get real close to it, it's not super flat, kind of has a nice texture to it and a nice design. I just really like the way that it went with the overall look of the office here. But yeah, so this is my setup where I record my YouTube videos. All right, so moving on, this spot right here, this is something that's special to me. This is where I come to, you know, just hang out, relax, get my mind off things. But honestly, I probably spend just a little bit too much of my time here in this little corner. But I mean, you gotta love it, right? This right here is my gaming setup. So as you can see, I try to keep my gaming setup nice and clean. I don't have anything too crazy going on here. If you're looking just at the top of the desk itself, all I really have is just my gaming monitor, my PS5 controller with the remote that comes with the monitor, because this monitor isn't really specifically made for gaming. This is the Samsung M7 4K 32-inch smart monitor. So not only can I game on here, but if I pick up the remote that comes with it, press the home button, I also have the option to, you know, use things like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, YouTube, and I can even search the internet straight on the monitor itself. There's no need for a computer or anything like that. And I actually just recently did a review video for this monitor right here. So if you want to go check that out, you can, if you do find yourself interested in this monitor. But overall, I have really been enjoying the experience with this monitor right here and using it for my gaming. And then you'll also notice right here up top is a stream camera. So this stream camera connects straight to my PS5 that I have down here, and I stream straight from my PS5 over to Twitch. So if you're not following me on Twitch, I'll have a link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and follow me and go hang out with me on there every time I stream. And next to my PS5 is my headset right there by Rocket. These are wireless, as you can see here. And I also have a review video for these as well, and I got them right next to the PS5. Now, I am not the best when it comes to wire management, but as you can see, I did do my best to try and keep it as nice and as clean as possible, so I don't have wires just popping out everywhere. And then on this top shelf right here, got some headphones, a couple of games. These are actually for the PS4 right here, which I have in my living room. And this is the wire right here for the controller if I do want to hook it up to the PS5 directly. And then, of course, we can't forget the gaming chair. This is by eWin Racing. Got a little black and white color combo going on there. And I actually really enjoy using this chair. So check it out. The chair does spin back and forth nice and easily. It even slides back and forth nice and easily, so you don't have any problems with the wheels getting stuck or anything like that. You also have some armrests right here, which do go up and down. So depending on how high you want your arms when you're playing games, you can pick any height that you want. Or even if you're a PC player, I believe they do get high enough to where you can still rest your arms and be able to play on a mouse and keyboard. Although I don't really play PC, so I can tell you from experience, that's just kind of what I'm thinking, just based off of doing this right now. You also get some back support on this chair right here, which does go up and down depending on where you want it. And it is pretty firm, so at least for me, it feels really good on my back. And then you also have a pillow for the neck as well. And as far as reclining this chair goes, it actually reclines pretty far back, as you can see there, to where I'm pretty much almost laying down on it. And then it also goes up and down pretty easily. If I can find the lever, look at that. Goes up and down nice and easily. And yeah, overall, I'd probably give this chair maybe around an 8 out of 10. I wouldn't really give it a 10 out of 10 because it is a little bit on the firm side. I personally don't have a problem with that, but some people might want something a little bit softer. But me personally, I actually really like it because it just helps it feel more premium, or not more premium, but more secure. It doesn't really feel like it's gonna fall apart or anything like that, or wear out really fast over time. It feels like it's going to hold up pretty good. And I believe it holds up to about 300 pounds if I'm not mistaken. But overall, I haven't had any problems with this chair right here. I've been able to sit on it for very long periods of time while gaming. So again, this is my gaming setup. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. But moving on, right next to that is my music setup. Again, trying to keep it looking nice and clean, nothing too crazy going on. Currently using a desk shelf right now to hide the wires that I got going on in back of the keyboard. You can kind of see them through that crack right there, but overall, it is hiding them pretty good. So if I go over to the side here, you can see that I do got wires going on in back of the keyboard. So I think this does a pretty good job at hiding those wires to keep it looking nice and clean. And then of course I have the pedal at the bottom that connects straight to the keyboard. But yeah, this is my music setup right here. My keyboard is the Yamaha MX61. I absolutely love this keyboard, got a good deal on it. And then on top of the desk shelf right here is a soundbar. Now it's not the best sounding soundbar, it's not the worst either, but you know what, it does get the job done whenever I want to be able to hear myself playing the keyboard instead of having to wear headphones all the time. And it also comes with a little remote right here. And then next to that is this cool little thing. Now I absolutely love this little guy right here. This is the Go Mixer Pro by Roland. And what this basically allows me to do is to be able to record whatever it is I'm playing on the keyboard straight to my smartphone. So I don't have to use the microphone on my smartphone to record whatever's coming out of the speaker. I can connect my phone directly to this, connect the keyboard to this, and boom, you have a nice clean sound coming straight from the keyboard. But you can also use this to record things like your guitar, bass, even voice all at the same time if you really wanted to. It's a nice little mixer. I believe, honestly, I don't remember what the price is, but I'll also have this link down in the description below. If you are a musician, or even if you're not, it's still a nice little mixer to have. It's small, compact, and it's easy to take around with you if you are traveling. Like I said, you can make videos like this. So as you can see, pretty cool little mixer, right? But yes, overall, really loving this music setup. Hopefully I'll be able to add on to it, you know, a little later on, but so far this is what I got right now. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. So there you have it, the office tour that a lot of you have been asking for. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Like I said earlier in the video, if there's anything in this office right here that you find yourself interested, I will try to have everything linked down in the description below. But again, I would love to know your thoughts on my setup right here. And I hope it was able to help somebody out who's, you know, trying to get ideas at setting up their own office. But again, let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one. Peace out.